Hey, it's Wayne from Visionary Wealth Management. I just wanted to touch base between Thanksgiving and the rest of the holidays to say hi and say, hey, we're feeling the same emotion as you are with a few really rough days in the market. And I just want to say to you that this is what we plan for. So if you're retired and drawing an income from your portfolio, we plan for this. So when we talk about needing 5 years worth of cash flow, safe and stable in your portfolio, it's for times and moments just like this. When our natural emotion is, oh my gosh, I have to do something within my portfolio to stop the damage or the market carnage that seems to be going on. Although it's only been 3 trading days. But we have sought to protect 5 years worth of cash flow for you. So the question is not where is the market this week, this month, or even this year. Again, to quote the old Friends theme song, the question is the market going to be higher than it is today, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the road when we actually need those equity-based assets? We think the answer to that is yes. And so for that reason, we continue to hold the equities and then plan around your income from your portfolio. Now, if you're already our client, you will also remember that maybe about 6 weeks ago, I was here saying that we had taken some steps and we had actually moved some money to the sideline because of a variety of things that were going on in the marketplace. And we were concerned about kind of the canaries in the coal mine, the convergence of a series of events. And, you know, we looked a little early 3 weeks ago. Now all of a sudden we have a few brain cells again. So again, we never run like Chicken Little. We didn't move 50% to cash, but we did take, recall, between 5 and 15% of your equity positions off the table and move them to the sideline, anticipating greater fourth quarter volatility. And here we are. We're getting fourth quarter volatility. So this is what we planned for. This is what we expected. We have dry powder. Is it time to buy? No. We're down a couple thousand points in the Dow Jones. It works out to about 6 or 7%. That's not a disaster. That's normalized volatility. We have some dry powder. We have income protected, and we have a plan to make sure that your lifestyle is protected both now and that you have dry powder to be able to buy if things do actually get really ugly, which we're going to have potentially more selling forces through the fourth quarter because remember, institutional investors, high net worth investors did what we did, which was we were big buyers in March and April of 2020 when things are pretty ugly. Now we've got long-term capital gains on those assets, and so from the perspective just in terms of balancing risk or rebalancing portfolios, it certainly makes sense to be considering selling some equities at this point in the year, especially when we don't know what the capital gains liability or tax rate is going to be in 2022, because that's all still up in the air because Washington can't get their stuff together. So we're making decisions with you in mind, with your specific personalized strategy in mind, and we're taking responsibility on that, taking care for you. We want to wish you a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving on a belated basis, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays on a precursory basis. And here at Visionary Wealth Management, we're always here with perspective for the decisions ahead. Please don't hesitate to reach out anytime. Have a great day.